Hello, welcome to our channel, Us. Hi viewers, how are you? Learn Excel with Amna. Today we will learn about cut, copy and paste. Let's go to our screen. Here is some data. In my last video, we learned about save as. I told you today we will learn about cut, copy and paste. First, we will learn about copy, how we can copy a data. There is two options to copy a data. First is this option and second is right click and this. First, we have to select the data which we want to cut or copy. I selected the data which I want to cut or copy. I told you that the copy option is here and second option is right click and this is copy option. Now I will tell you how we can copy this workbook data to another workbook data. So we can copy 100 columns or 100 lines. Now I will do a copy of this data. I will copy it. We can copy from here or we can copy from ribbon option, that is this option. We can copy from here. We get a copy of this data. Now we want to paste in another workbook. So now we will open a new workbook. Now I will paste here. There are two options to paste some data. First is right click and there is a paste option, and the second option is this in ribbon, that is this. You can paste. We have learned about copy and paste. Now we will learn about cut and paste. Like copy, there are two ways to cut the data. With the right click, and second way is from the cut and from the ribbon. I will select this data and now I will cut this. This we cut from the right click and other option is from the ribbon. This. Now we are going to paste this data in another workbook. So now I will open a new workbook. We close that workbook and now we will open a new workbook where we want to paste the data. Now there are two ways to paste the data. First is right click and there is a paste, and the second way is from the ribbon. We'll click the paste button in ribbon. You can see our cut data has pasted in our new workbook. We learned about cut, copy and paste. Now I will show you a quick view in a same sheet about cut, copy and paste. Now I will select this data and right click and copy. Now I will click here and paste. Now the copy paste. Now I will show you a cut paste. Now we'll right click. Now I will show you a quick view of cut and paste. I will select the data, click right and press on cut. Now I will click on right click and paste here. Now you can see our data is cut from here and pasted over here. Today we learned about cut, copy and paste. In my next video we will learn about font and font size. Thanks for watching us. For more updates of Excel, please like, subscribe and share. If you have any query, let me know in comments.